Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this easy and beautiful small little pattern. This pattern will be great for a baby sweater, lady sweater, and also you can knit this in your gents sweater. This is the pattern I have done with this border. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, 6 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12, and plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1. That's the repeat, purl 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat, purl 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Again we have one more repeat, purl 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. So we have done here 3 repeats, 1 2 and 3 repeats, and your last 3 stitch, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here, knit 3, 1 2 3, and purl 1. Repeat that again, knit 3, 1 2 3, and purl 1. Knit 3, 1 2 3, and purl 1. And your last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1 2 3, your edge stitch here in front, purl on the wrong side. Now row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side, slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, and then we are going to draw a loop from this stitch from the second hole, 1 2 1 2. From here we are going to draw a loop like so, and then knit this stitch, draw another loop through that same hole, that's the repeat from here to here, purl 3, 1 2 3, and draw a loop, knit 1, draw a loop. Again, purl 3, 1 2 3, yarn back, draw a loop, knit 1, and draw a loop. And again one more repeat, purl 3, 1 2 3, draw a loop, knit 1, and draw a loop. Last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn in front, slip 1, this loop, these 2 loops, slip 1, purl this, purl stitch, purl 1 and slip 1. That is the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1 and slip 1. Again one more repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1 and slip 1. Last 4 stitch. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch and in front, purl on the wrong side. Now row 5 right side. For row 5 right side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, first purl 1 and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 2 together, this loop and this one purl stitch, knit 2 together, knit 1 and SSK, this loop and this one purl stitch, SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK. That is the repeat from here to here after these 2 stitch. For repeat pattern, we have done purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK. Repeat that again. Purl 1, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1 and SSK. Again purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1 and SSK. That's and then last 3 stitch, purl 2, 1, 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side, last row, knit all stitches, your edge stitch slip and then knit all stitches. So that is the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat this 6 rows, row 1 to row 6 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.